why do you think innovation is so important? What it does help you do is it allows you to stand out as an entrepreneur. It allows you to create new markets. If you've got a business, it helps you keep your clients loyal because clients want to be always, in touch with the latest, the greatest technology and innovations. And if there's no innovation, it means decline and extinction. You've seen so many businesses, so many companies that were great at one point of time, but because they stopped really innovating, they lost out. I could see Shema here saying to have new systems, new technology to simplify our lifestyle. So that's great. Hamad saying humans are always in the pursuit of perfection and innovation is the key to it. So really, really great input, guys. I really like that. And you're absolutely right. So innovation is a key part of everything that we do. When we first started, we saw that some of you are engineers already, so you are engaged. Innovation is really a key part of what you do. So an example of a very innovative company is Apple, and you could find that Apple came out with so many different products, which all were considered really innovative. First, the iPod came out, which was an innovative concept. Then the iPhone came out, which started really pushing the boundary when it came to smartphones and ensuring that everyone sort of wanted to carry a smartphone. And then they came up with the iPad, which was again a new category of products and services. But was it only the products that Apple innovated with? What are your thoughts? Do you think that they only innovated when it came to the product, or did they innovate in other aspects as well? So Apple didn't really just innovate on the products. Shema is saying in all aspects as well. Muhammad is saying they innovated our lives. So they actually, these are really very correct points. They innovated the whole experience around us as consumers or as users of technology. They created the apps, as Mubashir is also saying, and these apps, are now defining how we work with a lot of components. They're very efficient, very focused on helping us do our jobs in an efficient, fast way. And as you can see, Apple didn't just innovate on the products, they also innovated in the software that they put on those products. They also innovated in the services that they were able to offer through these products and software. And they also innovated the way that we buy the products and services from them by, having an account on iTunes and then being able to transact, buy a book, buy an app, buy a song, buy so many different things through that one easy way of transacting. So that's a really great example of innovation in practice, and this is how you could see Apple's real success over the past years, because it used innovation very, very actively. And a lot of other businesses in the meantime have lost. Some businesses were much bigger and much stronger from an IT perspective, from an electronics perspective, but they missed out on innovating not just the product, but innovating this whole experience.